guys, it's Claire coming at you from CompanyCam with another water cooler tip. This week we're going to talk about using the line tool on your toolbar to put in custom measurements. So for example, let's say that you're up on a roof taking the measurement of a ridge so that you can put in a ridge vent. You'll take that measurement, you're gonna pull back and take a picture of it, and then all you have to do is pull up the line tool on that toolbar and pull the edges so that it lines up to the ridge on the photo. Then you can put in your own custom measurement and you'll always be able to refer back to it. You'll never have to get up on the roof again. Now, roofers aren't the only ones that can use this tool. You can use this tool if you're in landscaping, you're putting down flooring, painting, exterior work, fencing, putting in a pool, HVAC, restoration. The options are endless. Thanks so much for watching this week. That's all I have for you. But remember, always send us the unique ways that you use CompanyCam.